We expect to see then ships have to use um, green energy, so like green ammonia, green hydrogen, and so forth. Of course, implications for Barbados, and Caribbean. I mean, truthfully, we don't have a lot of owners of ships in the Caribbean. There's a few of them, but naturally, we have a cruise industry, and Caribbean is the number one cruise destination in the world. So that's going to have implications for their costs, and naturally, of course, the cost of the tickets and accommodation on these ships. The reason why I'm mentioning that is because a lot of the ships that we tend to have in the Caribbean tend to be second or third hand ships, ships that we've purchased from Europe and other places. And the challenge, again, given that the guidelines say we must decarbonize by 2050, so I think it's 70% by 2030, 80% by 2040, and 100% by 2050, whether these the ships that are being used for that new service, whether these ships are already compliant. Because if they're not compliant, there's going to be a cost to pay in terms of the decarbonization thrust, whether it's an upfront payment or whether it's the case that they have some sort of subsidy that governments may have to provide in relation to revenues they said that will be generated from this.